Hi! In front of me is Oppo Reno6 Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. Start by accessing Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Over here you need to type DevCheck and download this free app from this developer. Then tap on Open. Thanks to this app, you can find out all the information about your Oppo's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!